Stop working for pennies while the wealthy get richer every day. You can start building your financial empire with just one Benjamin. Most Americans are living paycheck to paycheck with zero savings today. This video reveals exactly how to break that cycle of poverty. I invested $100 into 5 different assets 4 years ago. Now I am showing you the cold, hard truth about them. Wall Street does not want you to know these simple secrets. We are ranking these investments from total failures to massive winners. First, we look at individual stocks, which many beginners love buying. You might own Apple or Tesla, but do you understand them? Many people treat the stock market like a giant Las Vegas casino. They gamble their rent money and pray for a lucky break. I picked a random company and watched my money slowly vanish. The stock price dropped because the business model was truly terrible. My $100 turned into $67 over 4 long years. That is a 33% loss that most people cannot afford. You must research every company before you click the buy button. Never let a random TikTok influencer pick your next big investment. Next, we explore real estate investment trusts, which are called REITs. This is the easiest way to become a digital American landlord. You do not need a massive mortgage to own commercial property. Thousands of investors pool their money to buy huge apartment complexes. These companies must pay out 90% of profits as dividends. You get a check every month just for being an owner. My investment grew to over $110 total. The real estate market was shaky, but the dividends saved me. This is a great way to fight rising inflation in America. Your money is backed by physical buildings and real rental income. Now, we must discuss the wild world of digital crypto assets. Bitcoin is the most famous digital gold on the market today. It is a high-speed roller coaster that can make you rich. However, you could also lose everything in a single night's crash. I put my $100 into Bitcoin during the last cycle. The result was absolutely shocking for a small 4-year investment. That small bill turned into $652. That is a massive 500% return on my capital. Do not put your emergency fund into these volatile crypto markets. Only invest money that you are completely willing to lose forever. The IRS is watching every single crypto trade you make now. Be prepared to pay capital gains taxes on all your profits. Let us talk about gold, which is the ultimate safe haven. Grandparents in America have trusted this shiny metal for many decades. Gold does not produce cash flow like a real business does. It just sits in a safe and looks very pretty daily. My gold investment grew to $140 total. It protected my purchasing power while the dollar lost its value. Think of gold as an insurance policy for your total portfolio. It usually goes up when the stock market is crashing down. Finally, we reach the holy grail of investing, the index fund. This is how the smartest millionaires in America build wealth. An index fund buys the 500 biggest American companies once. You own a piece of Amazon, Google, and Microsoft instantly. This strategy is boring, but it is incredibly effective over time. You do not have to spend hours reading boring financial reports. My $100 grew to nearly $180. That is almost an 80% return with very low risk. This is the set it and forget it method for success. Most professional fund managers cannot beat the simple S&P 500 index. If you started this at 20, you could retire very wealthy. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world for us. The US economy has always grown over the long-term period. Betting on America is the safest bet you can ever make. You need to open a brokerage account to start this journey. Many apps allow you to buy fractional shares for $1. Do not wait for the perfect time to start your journey. The best day to start was 10 years ago for everyone. The second best day to start is right now, this minute. Small, consistent habits lead to massive financial freedom in the future. Automated investing is the secret weapon of the wealthy elite class. Set your account to buy every time you get paid. Avoid high-interest credit card debt like it is a deadly plague. No investment can beat a 25% interest rate charge. Pay yourself first before you pay the landlord or the bank. That 10% for your future is your most important bill. Stop buying expensive coffee and brand name clothes to look rich. Real wealth is hidden in your brokerage account and your assets. The 1% do not work for money. They make money work. This shift in mindset will change your entire life very quickly. Education is the highest return on investment you will ever find. Learn a high-value skill that the modern market actually needs. Can you code, sell, or manage people in a complex world? These skills will provide the cash to fuel your huge investments. Keep an emergency fund of at least 6 months of cash. This prevents you from selling your stocks during a market crash. Diversification is your only free lunch in the world of finance. Spread your bets across different assets to stay very safe. Watching the news will make you emotional and very scared. Ignore the headlines and stay focused on your long-term goals. Markets go up and markets go down every single year. The winners are the people who never panic and stay invested. Your 401k or Roth IRA are powerful tools for tax savings. Use these government accounts to keep more of your hard-earned money. Every dollar you save today is a seed for tomorrow's tree. Eventually, you'll have a forest of passive income streams. Think about what your life looks like 10 years from now. Will you be free or still trapped in a cubicle? The choice is yours, and it starts with $100. You do not need a fancy degree to understand this logic. YouTube is a goldmine of free information for new, hungry investors. Watch my other videos to learn more about the side hustles. I have spent years testing these methods, so you do not. My goal is to help you reach financial independence much faster. Please hit the like button if you found this very helpful. It helps the algorithm show this to more hardworking people. Share this video with a friend who needs to save money. We can all grow together and build a better future. Comment below and tell me which asset is your favorite one. I read every comment and try to help as many people. Are you a Bitcoin bull or an index fund fan today? Let us start a discussion about the current state of finance. Remember that I am not a licensed financial advisor at all. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes for you all. Always do your own due diligence before spending any real money. Your financial future is your own personal responsibility in life. Stay disciplined and keep your eyes on the final prize always. Wealth is a marathon and not a short sprint to finish. You have the power to change your family's entire legacy now. Breaking the cycle of poverty starts with your very first trade. Imagine never having to worry about bills ever again in life. That is the power of true financial freedom and smart investing. Most people give up just before the magic starts to happen. Don't be the person who quits when things get slightly difficult. Every millionaire was once a beginner with just a few dollars. They simply stayed consistent while everyone else spent their cash. Success is a series of small wins repeated over many years. This $100 experiment proves that time is your best friend. Go check out the links in the description for some bonuses. I have some tools to help you track your net worth. Make sure you are subscribed so you never miss a lesson. We post new wealth-building content every single week on here. The road to riches is paved with patience and strong logic. Avoid the get-rich-quick schemes that fill up your social feed. Real wealth takes time to grow, just like a giant oak. Plant your seeds today and water them with constant knowledge. I am proud of you for taking this first big step. Most people are too busy scrolling to actually learn about money. You are already ahead of 90% of the general population. Keep pushing forward and never let your big dreams die. I will see you in the next video for more tips. God bless your journey to total financial freedom and happiness.